Sonia Sachin Sodavde. Good morning and very happy Independence Day to one and all. Today we are celebrate the 15th August, the day when our country got freedom from British rule. This day is not just a date on calendar. It is the reminder of struggle, sacrifices and courage of our freedom fighter. People like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Rani Lakshmi Bai. More others gave their life so we could live in a free and independent India. But friends, we must ask ourselves, are we truly free? If there is still poverty, corruption and hate, our work is not over. We should build an India where every child goes to school, every woman feels safe, every religion is respected, nature is protected, and people live together with love and unity. Let us remember that true freedom means helping others, standing for what is right and making India a better place, not just for us but for the generations to come. So as we raise our national flag and sing a national anthem, let us pledge to build a cleaner, greener and more inclusive India. Let us move forward together as one nation, one people. So now I am going to say few lines in Hindi. दो सलामी तिरंगे को जिसमें हमारी शान है, सिर